Hey, it's Luxury Fred, and this is the 2021 BMW M440i xDrive. I just spent a few weeks driving this great BMW around Southern California. In this video, I'm going to show you what it's like to do 0 to 60 runs in the car, and also some views of the exterior, including the controversial big kidney grille. Now, I was kind of duped by the M440i in that I thought it was a real BMW M car, and I've since learned that there is an M4, that this is kind of an M in name only. Okay, so I thought I should give you a little bit of a performance test here and kind of show you what it can do. Put the window down so you get the sound, and then we're going to put the car, let me get out of here without hit. So we're going to put the car into Sport Plus mode, and that's going to get us a little better performance. Then we're going to put the transmission into also Sport mode, and then I'll show you kind of a 0 to 60 here from the stop sign. So it's fast, you know, but it's not brutally fast. It's quick. It's very quick. So that's full acceleration, again, Sport Plus mode, and the transmission in the Sport mode as well. Ready? So as you can see, it's quick, it's fast, but it just lacks that absolute brutality that we all love in BMW M cars. I'll be posting a few more videos with the 2021 BMW M440i, so please subscribe to my channel.